am Piyush Thamone. I am studying in Standard 6. My school name is PJ High School Wada. Welcome to our high school math tutorial series. Finding the least common multiple, LCM, using factorization method. In this video, we will learn how to find the least common multiple, LCM, of two integers using the factorization method. Specifically, we will explore the LCM between 45 and 30. Get ready to dive into the world of LCM and master the factorization method as we solve this problem in just 5 minutes. So, let's begin. Before we dive into the factorization method, let's quickly review what least common multiple, LCM, means. LCM is the smallest multiple that two or more numbers have in common. It is found by multiplying the given numbers or factors together. LCM plays a vital role in solving various mathematical problems, such as finding equivalent fractions, adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators, and more. To find the LCM, we need to begin by factoring the given numbers. Let's start with the number 45. 45 can be factored into the product of its prime factors, 3 by 3 by 5. 45 equals 3 by 3 by 5. Now, let's factorize the number 30. 30 can be factored into the product of its prime factors, 2 by 3 by 5. 30 equals 2 by 3 by 5. Now that we have the prime factorizations of 45 and 30, we can calculate their LCM. The LCM is the product of all the highest powers of the prime factors common to both numbers. LCM equals highest power of 2, x, highest power of 3, x, highest power of 5. In the case of 45 and 30, we find that the highest power of 2 is 2 to the power of 1, the highest power of 3 is 3 squared, and the highest power of 5 is 5 to the power of 1. LCM equals 2 to the power of 1x 3 to the power of 2x 5 to the power of 1. Simplifying this, we get LCM equals 2 by 9 by 5, which equals 90. LCM equals 2 times 9 times 5 equals 90. Therefore, the least common multiple, LCM, of 45 and 30 is 90. Congratulations! You have successfully found the LCM of 45 and 30 using the factorization method. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay curious and keep learning. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share them with your friends.